welcome back. I'm so happy you're here to spend some time with me today. If you're new around here, I hope you will consider hitting the subscribe button to join our crafty little family. For today's video, I do have a haul, so I picked up all of this fun stuff from the Echo Park warehouse sale, and I ordered that about 2 weeks ago, and it just got on Saturday, and I wanted to make sure that I shared with you all of these fun things before I get into it, because you all know I do not have patience and I have to cut into all the new papers as soon as they come in. So here is a collection that I got specifically for my traveler notebooks. There's some really great plaids, polka dots, chevrons, really cute camping images, and some stickers. I'm really enjoying these journal cards with lines so that I can add my writing to my books, and it just really is a cute, fun, retro camping theme. So that is for my traveler notebooks. I picked up a couple of things, actually quite a few of these are for our upcoming Christmas in July. We do 12 days of Christmas in July every year. And so I try to plan ahead as much as I can so that I have lots of things arranged and make sure that it runs smoothly, because July, as you know, is also our camping season. So I need to be well prepared in case videos are coming out while I'm gone. So I did already have this particular collection. Now this is the 12 by 12, comes with the sticker sheet, but I really enjoyed it, and so I wanted to have another set to go through. Really beautiful, bright, traditional colors, great vintagey images. They're a little whimsical, and the journal cards are really gorgeous, so I'm going to enjoy working with this. So I'm going to go ahead and link at the top of the description last year's playlist, so that if you want to check out the projects that we made for 2020 for our 12 days of Christmas in July, you can find that pretty easily. And so here is going to be one of the project features. And then I've also got a cozy Christmas. These are 2020 collections, and I did not get this one last year because you do have to decide how much holiday paper that you can add, because it does tend to build up. So I didn't get this one last year, but I did pick it up for this year, and I really love the homespun country inspiration, the little snow globes and snowmen and trucks with trees. And this is another set that's pretty traditionally styled, and the colors are what you'd expect from Christmas, but there's a little bit of a whimsical twist. This is going to be fun to work with as well. And then I did pick up one set for fall, plaids, leaves, chevron. I really love this collection. It has really beautiful journal cards, and I do like to add those as my focal images. And then I'm also going to cut this pumpkin out because, I mean, waste not, want not. And so I think this is going to make really good, probably mini albums or flip books. So I'm looking forward to that. So I did pick up a few of the 6x6 paper pads as well. I have this collection that I got already for 2021, 12 Days of Christmas, and I got the 12 by 12 collection kit for that, but I also wanted the 6x6 paper pad. This scale works really well for cards. It's a little bit smaller and easier to work with, and then the journal cards that are usually included are great for tags. And so this is a not very traditional color scheme, but I do love the blues. It's frosty and very seasonal. And some of the snowmen and things don't necessarily have to be for Christmas. I think it kind of goes beyond the actual holiday season for just seasonal weather, especially here in Michigan because it stays cold for so long. And I got the Lumberjack Christmas. Now I did work with this last year in the 12 by 12, but once again, I really like this scale for cards, and I can really get quite a few cards out of one paper pack. So this is going to work really great for that. And then a gingerbread Christmas is super sweet with the cookies and the gingerbread houses. And they have very traditional colors again, but I think the darker backgrounds kind of gives it a more updated style. There's some candies here and stripes and plaids, so I'm going to enjoy working with that. I'm not sure exactly what this project will be, but I'm in the planning stages, so hopefully I'll get that worked out soon. And the last pad that I picked up is not holiday. But I really just wanted to use this collection. I love these colors together, and as you can see, I've pretty much gone through the whole paper pad, and I only got these on Saturday, so you can imagine that I really love this particular collection. So what I did was I just started making some cards, and I just want to flip through these here real quick so you can see them. I'm going to have these on my Pinterest board. I don't know if you guys have found me there yet. We do have a lot of projects there that have not made it onto the blog or into a video yet. So there's going to be a ton of additional inspiration in the form of projects. Lots of different styles. We have mini albums and tags and cards and all the things. So if you want to check these out further, I'm going to have them in our Pinterest board, and I'll go ahead and link that at the top of the description as well, so you can find that easily. But so I've got 5 cards here, probably gonna get maybe 2 more out of this, so I think that was a good value, and it's going a long way. It's also helping me to use up those blue flowers that I picked up, remember, in the little birdie haul, that I was like, I keep buying these and I keep not using them. So I wanted to make sure that I got through quite a few of them for this collection, and they coordinate really well. So I got a couple of different styles of stickers. This one is the chipboard sticker set, and I like that there are quite a few larger focal image size for traditional size cards, like a 5 by 6.5 or a 6 by 6 card. This one is going to be nice to layer because there's quite a few different sentiments and some other images that can be layered on. So this is chipboard, and so not necessarily good for traveler notebooks, but definitely good for cards. Now, when I made the traveler notebook ones, I picked these up. I wasn't really exactly sure what to expect. I've not had a sticker book from Cartabella or Echo Park, and so I wasn't really sure what was gonna arrive, and I am so happy with these. These are very nice size stickers and lots of different combinations you could put together. There's sentiments and images, and this particular one has some gift tags as well, and there are 2 sets of pages each, so that you're going to have plenty to work with on these sticker sets. And this one also has an alphabet, and that makes it really perfect for my traveler's notebooks. See, all those sentiments are so nice, and they're going to be great for adding to my pictures in my notebook. And that's primarily what I got these for, so because they're flat and I can add a lot of layers without adding a lot of bulk. I got that one in the Lumberjack Christmas, and then also this one is the Farmhouse Christmas. I really love these old barns and tractors and stockings. It's very beautiful sentiments, quite a lot in here as well. And so these are great for tags too, I think, because some of the images are a little bit smaller. Those trees are so beautiful. I can't hardly wait to use those. So I might reserve these first for Christmas in July before I use them in my traveler notebook. But look how beautiful those tags are. I mean, there are just so many good things in this book to work with. That's pretty little banner set, and then another alphabet. So it looks like how they have this page set up. There's words written out: Merry Christmas, December, peace and joy. That is awesome. So now I can just go ahead and use them as they are, and not have to worry about using up all the E's or all the S's, because that's what happens usually, is you wind up with the oddball letters left over and you don't know what to do with them. So there are 2 of these sticker books and 16 pages, so 8 different pages in each, but 2 of the same images, and that will be perfect because I can use it for my projects and for my traveler's notebook. So these came in, and I was expecting these to be a little bit bigger. That was kind of a surprise, but they're okay for tags, and they're puffy, so they're going to have some dimension. Love any bear with a scarf on and a little truck with some pumpkins, so that's really sweet. And these are very retro inspired with the colored lights and the snow globes, so that will be perfect for tags. And then last but not least, got a die set and a stamp set. I had a really good set of letters from Whimsy Stamps, but I didn't have any numbers to go with it. So if you're gonna do like obviously the 25th or the 14th or whatever holiday you got going on, or the date would be perfect for these. And although they're small and compact, you can see there's plenty of space to get adhesive added to them, so they're not going to be difficult to add to your projects. And this was only $10, I think, so that's a pretty good deal for dies, I think. And this is going to work for both my traveler notebook and my cards and books. Okay, the last thing I have to share is this stamp set. Now, you know I have been really loving stamped images and really chunky, large sentiments, especially this one. It has a combination of a typeset and a scripty font together. So I'm looking forward to adding these to my cards, especially ones I'm adding stamped and colored images too. I think just really is so perfect, and it takes up a lot of room, and so this will be great on my Christmas cards. And that is all for my haul from the Echo Park warehouse sale. If you picked up anything from the warehouse sale that you want to let me know is a good value or you're excited about working with, just let me know in the description below so I can check that out as well. I'm going to make sure to link the 2020 Christmas in July series as well as my Pinterest board for my projects. And I'm not as good at pinning every single thing, but there is a lot of inspiration there. I think I have it organized pretty well. So if you're looking for cards or holiday or mini albums or that type of thing, I think you'll be able to find a lot of things that we don't have listed on our blog or our YouTube channel. So you might find some additional inspiration there. If you did enjoy this kind of haul video, let me know that too in the description, because I do like to share with you all the fun things I pick up to be creative with, and so resources you can find these items as well if you want to use them to work with. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me a comment and give me a big thumbs up. If you are not already, I would love for you to subscribe. Remember to check the description box for those links. And as always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye.